In this video, I will teach you how to connect your database in Jupyter Notebook by using Python package. So you have to install the Python package first. Open your command prompt and type the pip install MySQL connector. If your installation is finished, you can open your Anaconda prompt and open the Jupyter Notebook. Create a new Python 3 file and write import MySQL connector and run it. If you cannot see any errors here, it means that your installation is successful. In addition, you have to add an account in the workbench. So open your workbench and click the administration button in the bottom of the left navigation bar and click the users and privileges. Click the add account and set your username and the password. Click the apply. Then this account is added. Go to the schema privileges tab and click the add entry or schema and click OK. Basically, you can use all the queries if you are logged in with this account. So basic setup is done. Let's write some code from now on. We have to make the connection first. So write connection equal to MySQL.connector, and you have to write a username like user equal to, and write your username that you said before, and write your password that you said before. And we have to set host. Host means the IP of the database. Since our database is running in our computer, so we have to connect to the localhost, which means your computer. The IP of the localhost is 127.0.0.1. We also have to set another options named auth plugin equal to MySQL native password. I'm not going into detail of why we use these options because I don't think it is important. So please just set this flag, otherwise it doesn't work. Moreover, you have to set database options as well. Database is the name of the database that you created in the workbench. So in my case, the name of the database is MyDB. And for your information, the order of the options, it doesn't matter. So you can set the host first or the database first. It's up to your choice. And write the cursor equal to connection dot cursor. And write cursor dot execute. And here you can write any queries. I will write select from student info and run it. Oh, I missed the parentheses here, so you have to write connection dot cursor and parentheses. Okay, and if we run it, no errors. So I will print the result out. So for student ID, student name as a tuple, and in cursor and print student ID and student name. If you run it, you can see the result. That is exactly same as the rows that you add in the workbench. Now let's insert some rows by typing some code here. So same as before, cursor.execute, insert into student info, ID name, values, and write down some values you want to insert in. And run it. Oh, it doesn't have any errors. So let's check the result. Copy and paste the select query and the code that we use to print the result. So run it. You can see that new rows are added. In order to update our table in the database, actually, we have to write connection.commit. Then the table in the database will be updated. Let's run it and let's go and check the tables. So open your workbench and write the queries. Select start from student info. Run this query, you can see the updated table. So this is the end of video and thanks for watching.